Lesson 1, Getting Started. We have 12 sections. For the programming and programming basic, comments, and white space. These 3 sections is for the basic of the programming. From 1.4 to 1.10 are the background information. So what is their history and these computers in life, and this is the bit and byte, and this is 1.7 is introducing the problem solving, and 1.5, 1.8 Y programming, and 1.9 is the white space important, and then 1.10 is a code and pseudocode. Finally, this 1.11 and 1.12 is 2 labs. So 1.1 programming. So here is an example of programming. Is need input, the process, and output. So this is using this simple example to show this programming, and also introduce what is an algorithm. So algorithm is a sequence of instructions that solve a problem. Next is 1.2 programming basics, and introduce the flowchart. It's a graphical language for creating or viewing computer programs. So in the programming, we often can see flowchart to showing the flow of the program. And the program is a list of statements. And node is in the core flowchart. We have this graphical node. So they each have different shapes. For this parallelogram that shows this the input or output, and others are just a regular statement. For the input statement, we use variable equal to get next input. This statement is used to provide input to this program. For example, in this program, we want to get a wage, get a next input. So this input 20 is assigned to wage. Wage is the variable. We use the parallelogram as that's the shape for input or output statement. Next, output statement is put item to output. So this is put keep calm to output. So the output will print out keep calm. So this is the basic for the programming, input, output, and the statement in the middle. Next is comments and white space. So in the program, we have comments. This two forward slash is telling what it's going to do next. So this comment is very important. So it's either for yourself or for other programmers. So sometimes in bigger company, the program may be written 10 years ago or 20 years ago. So after so many years, and nobody know what exactly it is for if without a comment. And this comment is also for helping different members in the team to understand this what this block of statement is for. So this is the comment are very important. And the white space is very important to keep strictly in the right format with exact space. This help reading, understanding, and it's make sure this is less possible to get wrong. So after this 1.1 to 1.4, then we come to the background information. First is the brief history of a computer, and next is computers all around us. All of these computer, embedded computer. Next is representing information as bits and byte. The bits is 0 or 1. It is called a bit. Byte is 8 bits. It's called a byte. All these characters can be represented as ASCII. So this ASCII is a way to represent characters. And the Unicode is published in 1991. It has 100,000 items. So then is problem solving. Next, 1.8 is Y programming. Here's multiple resources about the best jobs and their salaries. And so that's basically about the job market for this programming. 1.9 is why white space matters. Finally, we have a code and a pseudocode. So pseudocode is a text that resembles a program. So that's for human understanding. Here's the left 1.11 and then 1.12.